In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and integrate Stripe with Jotform. Whether you're launching a new product, facilitating donations, or managing subscriptions, connecting these two platforms can streamline your payment processes with ease. First, let's begin by navigating over to jotform.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're familiar with the form you want to work with and have created one beforehand if necessary. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open that specific form that you're planning to integrate with Stripe. Doing this will bring you into the form builder interface, which is where the magic happens. Once you're in the form builder, look to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the Add Element button. It's typically represented with a plus sign, your go-to when you need to add new functionality or elements to your form. Click on this button and you'll notice it opens up a sidebar with a variety of options. Now, on to the important part. From this sidebar, find the Payments tab. This is where you'll manage all your payment settings, so navigate there. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see an array of potential payment solutions. We're focusing on Stripe, so you have two choices, regular Stripe or Stripe Checkout. The option you select likely depends on your specific needs, whether you want a straightforward transaction process or a more enhanced checkout experience. After choosing your preferred Stripe integration, you have two options to incorporate it into your form. You can either click on the Stripe option directly or drag and drop it into your form canvas. Both methods are intuitive, but if you prefer a more hands-on approach, dragging and dropping might give you that tactile satisfaction. Next, you'll want to set up the payment settings. Here, you'll need to decide if you are working in test mode or live mode. If you're just getting things set up or need to experiment without financial transactions, select the test mode. This allows you to test your form and payments without actual monetary implications. Once you're confident everything works perfectly, switching to live mode will facilitate real transactions, enabling you to start accepting payments for your goods or services. Now that you've set those preferences, it's time for integration. Click the connect button, which will guide you through the necessary steps to officially link your Stripe account to Jotform. Follow the instructions provided carefully to ensure a smooth and secure connection between the two platforms. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now integrated with Stripe, ready to handle transactions seamlessly. By combining Jotform's user-friendly design capabilities with Stripe's robust payment processing, you're set to manage your online payments efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy form building.